Oh, welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you're joining me today. And I'm surprised this name hasn't been floated even more over the course of the last couple of weeks. But apparently, Democrats and the media are now talking about having Hillary be the one to replace Joe Biden. That's right. They are clamoring for Hillary 2.0. They think that Hillary can take on Trump this late in the game. They think that her age, her being younger than Trump and Biden, that they could utilize that in order to say, hey, she's more youthful than the two older candidates. But everyone seems to, or the media seems to forget that it wasn't too long ago, back in 2016, when they had to pick up Hillary and throw her like a sack of potatoes into the side of the van as she collapsed on 9/11, if you guys remember, all the way back then. But they're swirling. These stories are swirling, and the only reason these things don't inorganically pop up on their own in the media, they are fed, they are planted by Hillary and people who want Hillary to run. And there is a possibility, a very strong possibility, that Hillary could be entering that Chicago convention and throwing her hat in the ring and taking it from everyone. And wouldn't that be a sight? A Hillary versus Trump 2.0. Let's go take a look at this article. Who's talking about it, who is really clamoring for Hillary Clinton to be the candidate for the Democrat Party. He says, ready for round two, why we need Hillary more now than ever, right? Yes, please run Hillary too. But who? The strongest argument against replacing Joe Biden as the 24 Democrat nominee is the notion that no suitable successor exists. But there is. And not just a good one, but one of the most qualified people ever to run for office, Hillary Rodham Clinton. For what it feels like longer than 2 weeks, we have publicly and endlessly debated about Biden's candidacy. Democrats have repeatedly called on him to make a decision. It's damaging, divisive, and only serves to further improve Donald Trump's chances. I have ferociously defended Biden in the past and demanded the Democrats fall in line behind our guy. But we need to put the debate to bed. If Biden is to yield the arena, we must consider why Clinton is not just a fitting champion to take up the mantle, but perhaps the mightiest of all. Man, this is some cringe Clinton fan fiction, right? Let's get this out of the way first. Clinton is younger than both Biden and Trump. Given the current fervor over age, this is not a trivial fact. Energy and stamina are required, equated in capability. Yeah, throwing Hillary inside of a van to take her away from the 9/11 memorial, if you guys remember. Clinton is ready-made replacement. She possesses unparalleled resume, unmatched depth of experience. She has consistently redefined the roles that she has served, from Secretary of State to U.S. Senator to First Lady and Children's Defense Fund attorney. Her extensive background in domestic and international affairs is just impressive at a time when global politics are increasingly volatile and complex. Her experience is priceless. Yeah, she wants war with Russia. Yeah, I don't want a Hillary Clinton. But her running against Trump this late in the stage, oh, yeah. Trump beats her. Trump beats Biden. Trump beats Kamala. There's nobody right now that Democrats can offer up that Trump won't beat at the moment. If the election was held today, it would be a complete landslide. 40-plus states going to Trump, in my prediction. Do I think he's going to get 40-plus states in November? Not quite, but he's going to get enough for a landslide. I could see him getting in the high 330s, 340s in the Electoral College. So, yeah. But there you have it. The Democrats are already plotting to replace Biden with Hillary Clinton and us getting a part two of Trump versus Hillary. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think Hillary will run? Do you think she will replace Biden? Or do you think Biden is the candidate to the very end? Let me know in the comments down below. Of course, you guys follow all my social media down in the links below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.